How can one eraser tool have so many different options? Let me show you how to use the 3 different kinds of erasers in Goodnotes. Next up on your toolbar is the eraser tool. Now your eraser tool can erase anything that you did with the pens or the shapes. So what you can do when you have your eraser tool turned on, there's a couple options here. You have your precision eraser, your standard eraser, or your stroke eraser. So let's go through each one of them. First, we're going to go through precision, and you can choose the different size erasers here. These you can't change the settings on. They just are what they are. So you have small, medium, or large, and over here you have some more settings for erasing highlighter only, erase tape only, or clear page. So if you wanted to clear the page, you could just click on this and it would erase everything. But we're not going to do that, so we're going to click undo. If we wanted to erase highlighter only, so if I turn that on, right here I have a highlighter, so what I could do is erase the highlighter, and it would leave the pen and the tape, but it erased the highlighter. I could also do that with the tape, so if I erase the tape only, it's going to erase the tape, but it's going to leave the text that I wrote. Or if you had all of that turned off, then it would erase everything. Now, with the precision eraser, what that means is it's very precise on what it erases. So you can be kind of make very precise little strokes on what you wanted to erase. So if you don't want to erase everything, it's going to it's just going to erase like little sections that you go over. Now with the standard eraser, if I go over that, it's going to erase big sections. So you can see how when I'm erasing, it kind of moves a little bit ahead of itself. So it erases more than just what your pen is going over. So that is how you use the standard eraser. And the stroke eraser, when you go over that, it's going to erase everything as in that element. So it's erasing the whole entire stroke. And you can just click to erase. Same with the tape, so it's going to erase everything. So those are the 3 different types of erasers. I tend to leave mine on precision, so I can erase only like what I want to erase. And then you can scribble to erase everything that you want. So that's how you use the eraser tool in Goodnotes.